have a present for you. Oh, it's so slick. Just a tiny bit of snow, but it's 24 degrees. Started out at 40 degrees this morning. Now it's 24 degrees. I'm literally sliding sideways as soon as I push the gas pedal. That's because I don't have four-wheel drive. Because my four-wheel drive went out. Hi, Jacob. So yeah, it's like super thin layer. The ground was warm, but now it's not. It's freezing. It's 23. The temperature just keeps dropping. I don't even know if I could stop right now if I needed to stop. We'll just see what happens. I mean, I do need a new car. So let's see if we see any accidents. I am currently on 2nd Avenue, just coming to the border of Des Moines on the north side. We've got some arrows up ahead. I'm going to change lanes. And see if I can not die. Not die, not die. I got my seatbelt on. No sound? What do you mean no sound? Does anybody hear me? My grandma says no sound, but you know, it might be user error. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, Rich hears me. Hi, Rich. Okay, we got a yellow light. I'm gonna start stopping. Oh, there's that analog brakes. Good, maybe I can adjust my camera a little bit here and give you a little better view. Get you up a little higher. Raise it up. Oh, there's the mail lady. I'm sorry about that mail lady. Must be walking around. There, can you see better now? How's that? Woo! Woo! My car's sliding. It just slid as I was stopped to the right. Oh, I wish my four-wheel drive worked. I really need to... Oh, look at that guy. He's sliding sideways. Look at him. Yeah, this will be fun. This is nasty. How can just a tiny thin layer of water that's frozen be so treacherous? Okay, I'm crossed Aurora now, so now I'm in the county. Let's get in the middle here. Yeah, this temperature is going from 40 to like 12. Oh, I'd probably be safer on the bike right now, honestly. Not really, but a truck in four-wheel drive with no four-wheel drive. Well, it's an SUV with no four-wheel drive. It's just not fun. I even have nice tires. I mean, I have the four-wheel drive button pushed, but it ain't doing nothing. Now I'm in the county. See, look, the road looks clear here, but it's because the wind has been blowing and keeping it clear. Oh yeah, that truck's sliding. He must not have his four-wheel drive on. Oh, there's sliding again. Don't slide and hit me, please. Keep it under control. This is definitely the weather that you would lose control real quick. I'm just gonna stay on 2nd Avenue just because it's more traveled. It's like, okay. Try it. Yep. Red lights are not my friend. The interstate's going pretty good, it looks like. It's currently 20 degrees. Man, that, oh, look at him go! Woo! Sliding sideways. Green light. Gas pedal. Tires are just spinning. Still spinning, I'm sideways. Come on now. Come on now. You can do it. Slipping and sliding. Woo! Get some speed under the bridge. Nope. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. That ain't working. Uh-oh, my boss is watching. Yeah, bastard. That's probably because he's probably at a coffee shop studying. Oh no, it's Monday, so he's off. Let's say if he's studying in a coffee shop and trying to go from there to the church, Good luck. I heard the interstate's pretty bad. There was an accident downtown. This is completely covered in ice. What's happened is it was a warm cement that snow fell on, and then the temperature has took a nosedive. It's 20 and blowing. I think it's going to end up at about 12 degrees tonight, and it's freezing. So all that nice wet snow is now ice. So we're gonna stay on this road for another intersection, and then we'll see what happens. Thankful I have not crashed yet. Yes, I would love to be in Arizona today. Oh! I don't know if you can see that. That truck was just sliding sideways. All it takes is a tiny little bit of gas and you start sliding. Really gotta feather that throttle. There's accidents everywhere, says Rich Shipley. You got scanner going? Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Anybody who's not using their four-wheel drive. Oh, look at that! There's the new Chevy Blazer. Anyways, who's not using their four-wheel drive is, or just even braking in general, would be difficult. We'll see how this hill goes. I mean, look at this blue truck to my right. You can see it in the camera. See him swerving back and forth? Now let's see if he can stop. You got those monstrous tires, but can you stop? See if we actually see an accident. It'd be fun to go drive around Ankeny right now and see if there's any accidents going on. But I must go to the church. See if I can turn here. Oh, that minivan on the left was just sliding sideways. Oh yeah, thank you, Polk County. They have sanded this road already. My phone is tipping. Probably shouldn't try to adjust it right now. Stay away from 14th. Car's stuck on a hill. Yeah, see, like my back end wants to swerve a little bit. We'll see if we can make it to the church without going in the ditch. I'm gonna try to turn. Ooh, I'm crawling at 20. I don't think it would really even matter if I had four-wheel drive right now. The front end would just push and turn. It's so slick. The sand definitely helps. You can hear it getting gritty. Polk County's pretty good about keeping up on this kind of stuff. They had the stuff sprayed earlier this morning, I noticed. Let's see if I give her gas. Woo! Can you hear it? Yeah, I haven't been in the ditch in a long time. And usually I can just drive out. One time I was going to a ski resort in Minnesota, and I was in four-wheel drive and went to turn to drive into the ski resort and realized I was driving on a snowmobile trail that was going across the ditch. So I just sunk right down, high-centered. Trying to think, that's the last time I went in the ditch and I couldn't get out. Because I've driven into the ditch before and then just drove right back out since then. But so, wow, that is really falling down. Tighten that up. Okay. Yeah, so the county areas are kind of 50-50. City was bad. I mean, this little side, this is like side road by the church. It's like, woo! It is slick. And if your car's out and got covered, you know, it's gonna freeze probably by the time you get out of work if you're not going somewhere for lunch. Woo! Okay. Let's see what it looks like outside. Usually I do have four-wheel drive, but right now both my vehicles are not having four-wheel drive, so let's just go outside and see what this looks like. Grab the iPad. Let's not fall down. So as you can see, it's ice underneath that snow because the ground was warm and then it froze. So be careful and have a nice day.